everybody and welcome back to my channel. It has been a couple of months since I've made a video. It's been so long. The whole coronavirus pandemic has definitely had a massive effect on me even wanting to make videos at all. So I'm here back home in Belfast in self-quarantine with my family. So I thought I would give you a little life update first of all, and then I'm thinking about gardening. So I think gardening is what's going to happen in this video today. So as many of you already know, I work and live in Beijing as a teacher, and that's in China's obviously where this whole coronavirus thing started. So around the 2nd of February I decided to leave China and come home because it was starting to look more and more like I couldn't actually leave. A lot of countries were starting to close borders and things like that. So I just wanted to get out and get home because Beijing were starting to implement loads of rules. Like you can't get on and off campus, all bars were closing, you couldn't see your mates and things like that. So there's no point being stuck in an apartment by myself, so that's why I came home. So I left, I think around the 2nd of February. The airport was insane. Everyone else was kind of having the same idea and trying to leave, and the queues were massive. So I had to fly back via Russia and then into Dublin. And then I came back. Since then I haven't really been doing a whole lot. I was super stressed out and anxious from the whole coronavirus thing starting in the first place, so I was just happy to be home, spending time with family. As many of you, if you live in Belfast, you know that there were storms, so there was plenty of snow, which was kind of fun, and it was my brother's birthday over February, so that was nice too. And now it's March and it's looking like spring is actually finally here. It's a nice sunny day today, so I'm going to take you with me on my day today and film something for the first time in months. You haven't seen my face in so long, unless you follow me on Instagram maybe. So I've been in self-isolation for a few days now, well probably at least a week or maybe 2 weeks. I haven't actually gone out and really done anything, so I'm starting to go crazy, as I'm sure many of you guys are. So I'm going to start a little project today. So I'm going to start growing things. And these are what I'm going to grow. Apparently, if any of you were in Northern Ireland last summer, Lidl brought out little seed pots. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pots of different things. So we have like dill and salad, different types of salad, beetroot, and then we have this one that's not got its label in it. Its little packaging fell off, so we've got a little mystery plant here. So if you're absolutely dying to know what this grows into, subscribe, hit the bell. Quarantine content, guys, this is what we're getting now. Also, my dad has this old box of seeds, so we're gonna have a look and see what's in this and see what kind of stuff we can grow that's in this box too. Alright, so let's take a look at what we've got in here. It's pretty dusty. Ooh, we have basil, coriander, chives, things like that. I think chives would actually be really useful. Tomatoes, maybe leeks, more beetroot. Oh, we have another packet of all these different things, and radishes, and for some reason there's loads of bubble gum in here. What? So I guess let's take a look at planting and growing some of these things. So I'll open one of these little seed pots for you so you can see what's inside. So they seem to have like a little label. Oh my god. Christ. They have some instructions in them here. So let's see, inside we've got, ooh, this one is lamb's lettuce. I don't know what lamb's lettuce is, but we're gonna see. And it comes in a little pot, and you've got this little seed disc in it, or like a little disc of dirt. I'm not really sure. An unboxing of seeds. Ooh, dill. This guy, salad mix. Beetroot in this one, and then the last one we've opened, we've got some cherry tomato. So that's what we're gonna try and grow. I actually think the mystery one doesn't seem to have any sheet of seeds, so I think that's just nothing. So that's disappointing. So we'll grow some other stuff out of this box. Yeah. So let's go get some water and let's go get some dirt. Okay, we got some water here. Got some dirt. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Never, never let you go. So as you saw there, I managed to find a couple more pots out in the garden, so we're going to see what's in the seed box and see about planting something in here. Also, I should have mentioned I'm on like a porch, which is kind of like half outside, half inside, so that's where I'm doing my gardening today. Ooh. I actually just noticed some other pots over there. We have a basil one, so that's nice. So I'll plant basil in that, and I'll put chives in that one. For the next one, I might grow some cress. I need more dirt. I got the dirt. I think I'm gonna do some parsley, because why not? It already smells like parsley. Whoa. Okay, well I think that's me done. I have lots of pots now, so this one is full of cress, so this should actually grow really quickly. You don't even really need to put soil on top. You can just kind of leave the seeds there and they'll start growing really quickly. So I'll have an egg and cress sandwich next week, so that'll be great. A little thing of chives, a little pot of basil. This one is going to be parsley, and then I've got the 5 little guys over there. Yeah, it'll be exciting to see if anything actually grows. Stay tuned to see if they grow. I'll probably make another video later on to update you guys on my plants and see if they actually... I keep spilling this everywhere. I'm probably going to be in self-isolation for a while, doing little projects like this. Hopefully it has inspired you to maybe grow some plants, see if your mom or dad has any seeds out in your garden. So if you guys made it all the way to the end of my first ever gardening video, thank you for watching it. And I love making videos and photography and stuff like that, but obviously in self-isolation it can be kind of hard. So you'll probably get random projects like this from me from now on. So if you'd like to see how my plants grow, or if they grow, subscribe. And maybe I'll update you guys on Instagram as well. So thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!